friends, welcome to this video. In this video I will explain you how to use the recovery scenarios in UFT. So to add the recovery scenarios, what you have to do is go to the resources, then click on recovery scenario manager. Over there click on new scenario, and this wizard will be started called as recovery scenario wizard. In here you have to give the 4 steps. First you have to define the trigger event that interrupts the test run. Then you have to specify the recovery operation. Then in the third step, you have to choose a post-recovery test run operation, and then finally you have to give the name of the recovery scenario. So the first step is give the trigger event. So you can have the 4 types of trigger events. You can select any of these: pop-up window, object state, test run, error, application crash. So you can choose any of these trigger event. So pop-up window means that during the test run, some pop-up window comes unexpectedly. So if you want to close that, you can use this pop-up window option. If say you want to monitor the object state, specific object state, you can use this option. And similarly, test run error. So suppose if you want to handle some error, test run error, you can use this option. So if you select pop-up window, you have to give the window title that you are expecting, and then you can close the window in the recovery operation. If you select object state, let us see what options come. Here you have to give the object that you are expecting, and then you can give the object's properties and values. Then in the test run error, you can select like what error you are expecting, and after that error happens, then you can give some recovery operation like object not visible, not found, disable, something like that. Then application crash, you can give the application that you are expecting to be crashed, and then you can add that application over here. So whenever that application crashes, UFT will do some recovery operation. So let us go ahead with this test run error, and let us select this object not found. In that case, what we have to do? So over here you have to give the recovery operation. So you can give the any of this recovery operation. You can use the keyboard or mouse operation, close the application process, or make the function call, restart the Microsoft Windows. So most of the time people use the function call or keyboard or mouse operation. So if you select function call, you have to create new function or choose the function from the library. Or if you select keyboard and mouse operation, you can select any of these options, like you can press enter or escape key, and then you have to uncheck this checkbox, otherwise it will add another recovery operation. So click next. Then after this recovery is done, what you have to do, you want to repeat current step and continue, or proceed to the next step, or stop the test. So you can select any of these options and then go ahead next. Here you can give the name of the recovery scenario, say REC2, and click on next. You can, if you want to add this scenario to the current test, select this checkbox. If you want to add this scenario to all the tests, or to the default test settings, you can select this checkbox and then click on finish. Then this scenario appears over here, and you can also save that scenario by clicking on this button, and then you have to give the name of the file on which you want to save. So you can create new file, and then the scenario will be saved in that file. You can add the same scenario in existing file as well. You can also edit the scenario as well. So I've selected ABC. So in this QRS file, we have got one scenario, but you can add another scenario in the same file using this particular by clicking on this and going through the same wizard again, and then in the last step you can select the existing QRS file. So that is how you can manage the recovery scenarios in UFT. If you like this video, hit like button and subscribe to my channel.
Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please hit like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and also visit www.softforce.org for more tutorials and updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.